This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for September 25th, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was up 0.63 points or 0.16% and closed at 405.07. Total trade volume was down from our last report, with 23,991 shares changing hands at a total value of 115.2 million real, or close to $29,000. On the main board, 5 stocks were up. Leading the market was Grand Twins International, up 0.85% or 60 real to 7,140 real per share, followed by Pestech Cambodia, which rose 0.75% or 20 real to 2,680 real per share. Other stocks also up were Cam GSM, Sihanoukville Autonomous Port, and Phnom Penh Autonomous Port. Only one stock was down on the other hand. Akleda Bank dropped 0.29% or 20 real to 6,780 real per share. The remaining 3 stocks on the main board remained flat. Over on the growth board, DVD Engineering was up 0.49% or 10 real to 2,040 real per share, while JS Land stayed flat at 2,770 real per share. Akleda Bank recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 7,626 shares changing hands at a total value of 51.7 million real, or nearly $13,000, approximately 32% of the total trade volume on Thursday. Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 4,015 shares changing hands at a total value of 24.7 million real, or over $6,000, about 17% of the trade volume on September 25th. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD remained stable at 4,007 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was up from our last report to 97.83. Looking at global commodities, oil prices edged down on Thursday, retreating from the previous session's 7-week high, as some investors took profits after U.S. stocks closed lower and in anticipation of slower winter demand, as well as the return of Kurdish supplies. Brent futures were down 49 cents or 0.7% to $68.82 US a barrel, while U.S. West Texas Intermediate futures were down 54 cents or 0.8% to $64.45 US a barrel. Gold rose as geopolitical and economic tensions heightened safe haven demand, while investors awaited U.S. economic data for clues on the U.S. Federal Reserve's monetary policy trajectory. Spot gold was up 0.6% at $3,756.29 US per ounce after hitting a record high of $3,790.82 US on Tuesday. U.S. gold futures for December delivery rose 0.5% to $3,787 US. Stock futures were little changed Tuesday morning as investors awaited upcoming jobs data. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, S&P futures ticked higher by 0.1%, while Nasdaq 100 futures hovered just above the flat line. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average added 52 points or 0.11%. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for September 25th.